So guys, John Destiny back with a brand new video, and today is just a pretty much update from yesterday's Q&A. Thank you for all your questions, whoever asked them. It's nice when I've got people who actually watch my videos, and I get a good lot of feedback from PlayStation, from fake messages to comments in the comments area. Very happy about that. Tomorrow it's going to be quite productive. Tomorrow we've got football games, so expect a couple of football videos. Plus I'll be up like at 9 in the morning, so this will be posted. And the video what I'll be doing it morning, like the good morning video, will be like at 8:30. So expect quite an early video. And there's going to be like 2 more videos today. So yeah, you're not exactly spoiled with choice, but I will be going back to my 4 or 5 uploads a day, maybe even 6 on a good day. Just keep watching the videos, keep subscribing, tell your friends, tell people about me. Let's make a revolution. Anyway, hair's a bit down. It was a little bit shit. I just came for a shower. Shower there. You don't think you have it, look. It's a sport. Mira sport. Anyway, I just want to say thank you for all the subscriptions. I've just gained another 3 today, and in the space of like 5 hours, so I'm pretty happy with that. And thank you. Big up. Anyway, I'm out. It's been your boy John Dayson, and see ya.